So Simmers, it's your girl Melanin Sim, and I'm back with another video. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make custom images for your Sims. So without further ado, we're going to jump right into it. Okay, so first and foremost, you'll need Sims 4 Studio. And that's here. Then you'll need a photo editor. I'll use Photopea. And then you'll need a blank canvas, which is here. Just go to Google, type in blank canvas Sims 4. It's the first one. Okay, you'll download that. I already have it downloaded. So I'm going to pull it up. Alright, here's the extracted file, and then you'll double click it and it'll open in Sims 4 Studio. And this is the one I like the best. Once you get that, you'll go to texture and you'll export that texture. I already have it, which is here. So I'm just going to override it. Okay. Now once you get that, you will go to Photopea, open from computer, and you will open that. And I have it saved in a folder. It's wall art here. And then it's right here. Okay, then you'll go to File, Open, and just choose the picture that you want. Now, you can get a picture from Pinterest, or if you're posing your Sims and you want to use that, I can do another video on how to do that. Just let me know in the comments down below. Okay, so I'm going to go to Documents, and I'm going to go to Pictures, and I'm going to actually do this picture right here. Okay, so then you'll take it and you'll just pull it over here and you'll drop it. Okay, then you'll go to Edit and go to Free Transform and pull that down to make it smaller. Okay, and also this little lock thing, make sure it is not highlighted. That way you're able to transform your picture the same size, because if it's locked, it's going to move the picture as a whole. So just want to line it up here, then you'll bring it over. I'm going to bring it up some. Okay, then pull it back down, line it up. Okay, let's see. And I think about right there. Now bring this up to this here. Okay. So it's literally 1, 2, 3. Okay. So now once you have that, you can exit that picture out. Then you go to File, Export as PNG. Okay. But I'm going to go back in and fix it a little bit. So go back to Edit, Free Transform, and cover it up to make sure it's leveled. You can use this, Photoshop, or GIMP. I normally use GIMP, but a lot of people don't know how to use that, so this one is easier. Now File, Export as PNG. Okay, and it'll look like this. And then I'm going to rename it as Wall Art. And then you save it. Okay, so I'll also put it in my wall art folder. Excuse me, I'm a little under the weather. Okay, and then you'll save it here. Alright, now once it's saved, you will go back into here and you will click Import. you will go to that same picture you just did and you will import that. And there you have it. That is now your picture. And then you will go to File, Save As. And of course, you'll go to Documents, Electronic Arts, The Sims 4, Mods, and you will rename it. So I will do wall. Before we do that, go back here. Go to Catalog, and you can rechange your name. I'm going to do Random Wall Art, and then in the description, I am going to do Made by Melanin Sim. And you can keep the price the same or you can change it. But this is what I'm going to do. Now you will do File, Save As, and then go to Documents, Electronic Arts, The Sims 4, Mods, and save it as Random Wall Art. So if you want to do more, of course, you will just go to Add Swatch and you will do the same thing. You'll go to Texture. Of course, you won't have to export that texture. You'll just delete this picture. You'll right click, delete. Of course, add you in another picture. File, open. I'll do this one. And then put it over here. Boom. Okay. Edit. Free transform. And just start maneuvering it how you want it. Of course. And it's okay if you go a little bit over. And then you just exit that. Go to File. Save As. Wait. File. Export as PNG. Check it. Wall art. Save. And of course, I can just override that one. Yes. Okay. And then you'll go to import. Of course, you'll go back to where it is. Then you'll go back here. And then there's your second one. And boom. So then you'll do it again. File, save as. And then save. Yes. And then that's pretty much it. Of course, then you'll open your game. There's one more thing that I want to show you that you can also use for your blank canvas if you don't want to download the ones from the Sims resource, and it will also take away the white border. So you'll go to Object and make sure Create 3D Mesh is clicked, and then you'll let that load up, and you'll type in Recolor, and then this is it right here. You can click that. I don't think this one's it. I'm gonna see right quick. I don't know which that one is, but let me see. I'm just gonna save it and see what that pulls up. Oh, okay, so this is a small one. We won't use that one. So you would go to the other one and you'll type in Recolor. You don't have to type it in all the way. And you'll click Next and you can save it as that. But you can also use this one as well. And this one doesn't have that white border. And you'll do the same thing and go to Texture, export, and you can cover that whole image. You don't have to leave the red or anything. It's pretty much just the border, but it won't mess up anything. But you can cover that whole picture. It's easier to use, and that's the one I normally use. I just showed you with the other ones, but if you would, I'm gonna just do while my game is loading, I'm gonna do another one with this one. Okay, so you'll do the same thing and save it as blank canvas. Save. Okay, you will go back to Photopea. Okay, so you'll go back to Photopea, open from computer, find that picture that you just did here, get you a picture, open, I'm gonna just do this one just for demonstration. Click here, okay, edit, free transform, and just pull it on across, file, export as PNG. I'm gonna save it as love. Just gonna do that. Okay, now once you get that, you'll go to import, and you'll find the one that says love just here, and there you have it. And it doesn't have the border, so it's the same way, and you'll do it the same way as I showed you in the first one. So there's that. Alright, you guys, that is the end of the video, and if you have any more video requests, just let me know. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.